Welcome to WinClass. Today, I am going to show you how to use your library. After you log in, you will see the central dashboard of your student portal. On the left, library icon is here. By clicking it, you will be brought to this page, from which you can search by your tutor or subject to view all the related materials at this following library page. Let me take an example to explain it. If you upload some questions to your tutor Mr. Smith, before Mr. Smith downloads the file, the status keeps needs attention and is awaiting his reply. After Mr. Smith checks and uploads his reply, the status of the file becomes completed. On the other side, if Mr. Smith uploads some exercises for you to review a newly learned concept, before you download it to check and upload your reply, the status of the document is needs attention and waiting for you to upload reply. Once you upload your reply, the status of this file will be changed to completed. If you want to upload a new document regarding a certain class, just go to the dashboard or My Timetable. You will see a library button also shown after each class. Find the class for which you want to upload some materials to discuss with your tutor, then click the library button allocated with this session. When you come to the library page, click Upload New Document, then choose a file from your local device and upload it. It will then be listed with the other files in your library, which I have explained how the status of the files works. By using our user-friendly library, materials can be saved for preparation before the class and revision after the class, at any time. Your tutor's teaching programs can be filed and organized systematically. Your learning plans can be managed easily. I will show you more information about how to use the tutors portal in our other videos. You can also visit our website at winclass.com.au. Thanks for watching. See you next time.